Hi friends, today I'll show you how to make a tiny deer piñata for a birthday bash. We'll go slowly and we'll have gentle fun. First, let's gather things. Ask a grown-up to help. Small paper cup, toilet paper roll, thin cardboard, tissue paper. Glue stick, school glue, tape, string, ribbon. Child-safe scissors, marker, little treats, soft confetti. Great job getting ready. Let's make the body. Hold the cup sideways. Cut a small oval from cardboard for the head. Cut 2 tiny ears. Tape the head to the cup. So cute. Now legs. Cut 4 short strips of cardboard. Glue them under the cup. Add a tiny tail. You're doing amazing. Make a small flap at the back of the cup. This is the candy door. Fill it with treats. Close with tape. Time for antlers. Cut 2 little antlers from cardboard. Glue them on top. Wow, a deer. Tissue paper time. Cut little strips. Snip to make fringe. Glue fringe row by row around the body. Pat, pat. So neat. Draw eyes. Draw a sweet nose. Draw spots. Smile for our deer. Tie a string around the middle. Tape it on top. Ask a grown-up to help hang it. Look, a mini deer piñata. Clap for your hard work. At the party, take turns. Use soft taps. Be kind and safe. Want ideas for pictures and clips? We can see friendly craft images and videos on pexels.com. Nice and free to use. You did it, little makers. Happy birthday bash. Bye-bye.